Acura today unveiled the all-new 2022 MDX, the most premium, performance-focused and technologically sophisticated SUV in Acura history. Occupying its new position as the brand flagship, the next-generation Acura MDX marks a quantum leap forward with a bold exterior design, coupled with a sophisticated and elegant new interior, featuring the most high-tech and advanced cockpit in the brand's 35-year history. As the most emotionally styled MDX ever, the fourth-generation model features a bold and upright face, intricately sculpted grille and hood, and a white aggressive stance. These cues are shared with the Acura Precision concept that redefined Acura design when it was first unveiled in 2016. Dimensionally, the new MDX sits on a 2.8-inch longer wheelbase, with a stance that's 1.4 inches wider in the front and rear. Perhaps the most significant dimensional change is the dash-to-axle ratio, which has been extended by more than 4 inches. This lengthens the hood line significantly, giving MDX a premium cab rearward proportion and emphasizing the power under its long and sharply creased hood. The bold and sporting new look is accentuated by a multi-faceted diamond pentagon grille and new 4-element dual-eye LED headlights with an embedded chicane daytime running light. Three-dimensional sculpting under the headlights serve to visually whiten the front, blending to the fog light housing at the bottom. The wide stance and larger diameter wheels are pushed to the edge of the bodywork, providing visual cues of the dynamic handling potential of MDX's new body and chassis architecture, with front double wishbone suspension and high-capacity, variable ratio steering. The three-dimensional surface details were inspired by the wind-shaped rocks in Arizona's Antelope Canyon and can be seen in the pronounced shoulder line that defines the upper portion of the vehicle and the sculpting along the lower portion of the doors. The MDX windows are framed by a chrome strip, gloss black on A-Spec models, that begins in front of the mirrors on the front fender, running under the outside mirrors and ultimately circling the side windows. In the rear, the wide-set taillights have their chicane design set in an eye-catching light blade and serve to define and enhance the width and stability of the pronounced rear fenders. Befitting its flagship status, the 2022 Acura MDX delivers the most premium and sophisticated cabin Acura has ever designed. The clean horizontal design theme imparts a strong structural feel, softened with the use of high-grade authentic materials such as open-pore wood, brushed aluminum and soft-touch Milano leather. A hand-wrapped instrument panel with available top stitching provides a premium touch beyond anything offered in MDX to date. First-class front seat comfort is enabled via next-generation Acura Sport seats featuring 12-way adjustment, 3-way seat heating and 3-position memory all standard. MDX A-Spec adds ventilated front seats, while the Advance package gains additional power-adjusting side bolsters and thigh extensions for 16-way adjustment. In the second row, 2022 MDX features a first-in-class multi-function removable middle seat, providing owners 3 discrete seating options, a traditional bench for 3 across seating and 7-passenger total capacity, a captain's chair-style wide center armrest with additional drink holders, or wide pass-through for access to the third row, particularly useful when child seats are installed in the outboard second row seats. A hallmark of the MDX since its introduction in 2001, the third row is further improved on the 2022 MDX with an additional 0.4 inches of headroom, 2.4 inches of legroom, and a seating position that's 2 inches higher from the floor compared to the outgoing model. With the new standard panoramic moonroof on all MDX trims, the third row has a light and spacious feeling. In MDX Advanced trim, third row occupants have their own USB charging ports on the left and right side of the cabin. Behind the third row, cargo space has been increased to 16.3 cubic foot and can expand up to 71.4 cubic foot with both second and third rows folded. The new MDX also features expanded underfloor storage behind the third row, with 80% more space available under the cargo floor. The floor panel drops into the cargo well to expand the MDX rear cargo area behind the third row to 18.1 cubic feet and is reversible, with a carpeted side and an easy-to-clean hard side for dirty or wet items. The 2022 Acura MDX features the new all-digital Acura Precision Cockpit, which replaces physical gauges with a customizable 12.3-inch driver's meter. The new Precision Cockpit conveys information to the driver in personalized fashion, with drivers able to choose between two distinct appearances on Advanced and Crafted. In addition to different displays for the main gauges, a fully configurable content selection is available to the right of the display for functions such as navigation, trip computer, AcuraWatch, maintenance, tire pressure, super handling all-wheel drive status and a G-meter. Also new for 2022, MDX Advance package benefits from a 10.5-inch full-color head-up display that can show critical vehicle alerts, collision warnings, navigation instructions, vehicle speed, and incoming calls and texts. The 2022 MDX also benefits from the latest generation of Acura's intuitive and driver-focused True Touchpad interface, featuring Acura's largest ever center display. At an ultra-wide 12.3 inches, the Full HD display works seamlessly with the Acura exclusive touchpad with absolute positioning and a new, more powerful CPU. The TTI and MDX features intuitive controls, including physical power, volume and seat controls, positioned within easy reach to the immediate right of the touchpad, along with more accurate swipe zones and handwriting recognition, as well as AI-driven smart shortcuts for quick and predictive access to common tasks. The 2022 Acura MDX debuts with an advanced 3.5-liter direct-injected iVTEC V6 engine, rated at 290 peak horsepower and 267 pounds-foot peak torque. It incorporates a range of advanced friction-reducing technologies that help boost fuel efficiency and power output, and features a cross-flow magnesium intake manifold, special tumble-type intake ports, piston crown shapes and an 11.5:1 compression ratio. The iVTEC for the intake valves is combined with variable cylinder management to widen the power band and maximize fuel efficiency. For the first time, the 2022 MDX applies an active shutter grille. In certain conditions, shutters in the lower grille close to divert air around the vehicle, thereby reducing aerodynamic drag. When the demand for cooling air increases, the shutters reopen. For the first time, the 3.5-liter V6 in MDX is paired with Acura's 10-speed automatic transmission with sequential SportShift and standard paddle shifters. The transmission offers a wider gear ratio range, more discrete gears, 4-gear direct downshifts and lower first gear compared to the previous 9-speed automatic transmission. The 2022 MDX with front-wheel drive received an EPA rating of 19 miles per gallon city, 26 highway, 22 combined, while MDX with super handling all-wheel drive received an EPA rating of 19 miles per gallon city, 25 highway, 21 combined. The available rear-biased super-handling all-wheel drive system for MDX uses Acura's industry-leading torque vectoring all-wheel drive technology and is offered as optional equipment on MDX and MDX with technology package. Now in its fourth generation, super-handling all-wheel drive has 40% more rear torque capacity and 30% quicker front-to-rear torque transfer than the third-generation system in the previous MDX. The Acura super-handling all-wheel drive system can transfer up to 70% of engine torque to the rear axle during normal driving conditions, while continuously apportioning up to 100% of that rear axle torque between either the left or right rear wheels. The rear axle is continuously overdriven by 2.9%, which amplifies the yaw moment effect of left-to-right torque transfer, giving MDX even sharper and more accurate turn-in, with improved traceability when cornering. The all-new light truck platform underpinning the 2022 MDX targets the driving dynamics of a sports sedan. Designed from the outset in pursuit of Type S levels of performance, MDX sports its first-ever double wishbone front suspension, combined with an all-new multi-link rear suspension for incredibly precise road holding, while maintaining the smooth ride that is a key MDX highlight. The new platform also features improved body rigidity, paying dividends in ride comfort and handling, in combination with improved collision safety performance. Quick, precise steering and more powerful brakes give the driver the ability to take full advantage of the new platform in driving scenarios ranging from daily commutes to twisting canyon roads. MDX double wishbone front suspension is a core feature of Acura's performance DNA. The suspension delivers a larger tire contact patch through corners, helping to increase grip while improving ride quality with greater vertical freedom of movement. The new rear suspension also improves stability and response, and together they give MDX a world-class combination of ride comfort and agility. The new platform includes multiple enhancements in rigidity. In front, the damper connects to a new cast aluminum housing that is 45% stiffer overall for better noise isolation, with a new rigid-mounted subframe, contributing to a 7% increase in lateral torsion for better handling. Replacing the previous floating-type subframe, the new front subframe translates steering inputs to the tires with greater speed and fidelity. The rear body uses a new dual balanced load path for the rear damper mounting points, contributing to a 41% improvement in stiffness for better noise isolation and 80% torsion improvement that benefits handling. All 2022 MDX trims will come standard with an expanded suite of Acura Watch advanced safety and driver assistive technologies. For 2022, Acura Watch includes updated road departure mitigation plus new technologies such as traffic jam assist, traffic sign recognition, pedestrian detection, and a new driver attention monitor. Working in conjunction with adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, Traffic Jam Assist helps reduce driver stress in highly congested traffic situations by helping keep the vehicle in its lane and at a set interval behind a vehicle detected ahead. In addition, MDX will feature a new front and rear automatic braking system called low-speed braking control. Included in the technology package, the new system uses the sonar-based parking sensors to sense solid objects at low speeds, such as in parking situations, and warn the driver or apply the brakes to help avoid or mitigate a collision. The 2022 MDX targets a 5-star overall vehicle score from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and incorporates anticipated future testing requirements, including oblique frontal collisions, pedestrian safety, and forward warning and automatic emergency braking tests. fully developed around Acura's precision-crafted performance brand DNA and built on an all-new platform designed for new levels of performance. The 2022 MDX will arrive at dealers February 2, with a manufacturer's suggested retail price starting at $46,900.